This video shows you how to use the Asset Console in the BMC Asset Management application to view and update information about your hardware and software configuration items, or CIs, and related items such as maintenance schedules. The main purpose of the Asset Console is to enable you to work with CIs, and it offers you a few ways to find them. The header can filter the displayed CIs by defined searches, dataset, company, and role. It offers an advanced filter to further narrow those results based on the value of another attribute. Alan Albrook, a configuration administrator for Calbro services, might display only Calbro CIs in the BMC Asset dataset, which reduces the set of found CIs. He might then want to see only PowerEdge computers within that set. Alan can also use a defined search to find specific CIs, for example, monitors. After Alan finds the CI he wants to work with, the Asset Console lets him do several things with it, including viewing and editing it, printing it, exploring its relationships in Atrium Explorer, and viewing a list of business services that it affects. He can access the BMC Service Management Process Model and view service context information for a selected record. Alan can also create a new CI. The Asset Console also provides graphs of two key performance indicators that Alan can use to track Calbro's configuration management process: breakdowns of computer systems by status and of all CIs by type. The Functions navigation menu gives Alan access to several different asset management functions. For example, he might want to add the monitor he's found to a common CI configuration for future purchases, or establish a periodic maintenance schedule for it. If there are broadcast messages for Alan's organization, he can view them in the Asset Console. He can also create new broadcast messages. If Alan isn't sure how to use any of the features on the Asset Console, online help is just a click away. That's a quick overview of how you can use the Asset Console to quickly access everything you need for asset management. Thanks for watching.